Okay, I just received a package from Jeff in the mail today. Let's open it up and see what we've got. Okay, this must be keys. Alright, let's just start off this nice pretty shiny lock. It's a 7045 Pro Series Master, and this should be the key for it. I think, yes. Okay, that does work. See what this is. Okay, this looks like a Slade keyway. Looks like it's a 5-pin. That key doesn't fit it. Let's try this one. Okay, that has a key. And we have another lock. It's called a PF Industries, but it looks like a Slade keyway also. Okay, that works. And let's see, we have this key. Okay, that's a Sergeant. So we have a Sergeant padlock. It's unlocked. I hope this key fits it. Okay, the key fits. Okay, I won't lock it. I need to lubricate it a little bit and clean it up. So we have a key for that. Okay, now we have a key mark. Similar to a Best. Works just like a Best looks like. We've got one key for it, I believe. Maybe not. Okay, that is a key mark. Okay, there it goes. Okay, it works. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's a 6-pin. Probably could be a 7-pin, but it's 6-pin. And we also have a ABUS 7240. Okay, we don't have a key for the ABUS, doesn't look like. Let's see if it'll open up today on this ABUS. This ABUS will be usually an easy lock to open. I put it in a vise. My hands aren't what they used to be. Okay, let's use this, whoops, get it in there a little bit different. Okay, let's do it like that. Okay, let's try to use the top of the keyway, and let's try this pick. There's pin 3, I believe. Okay, let's just go to the back of the lock and work our way to the front. Let's, okay, now let's try it. Okay, it's pin 5, I believe, pin 4. It's pin 1. pin 2, pin 3, pin 5, pin 6, I believe. There's some more on pin 2. Okay, pin 1, okay, it's open. Okay. Alright, let's move this out of the way and let's just see what's in this Ava 7240 lock. This one feels a little different than some of the locks. Okay, I believe it does take a Phillips. Alright, let's take this clip off. See if we can do it without locking it back up. Yeah. And we dropped all the pins out of the bottom, so I guess we have to just do that, and then we have to put them back in the spot that they belong. Now we don't want to turn it up the other way. Okay, that it was a 6-pin on the Abus. Now, okay, there's pin 6, looks like a spool. There's another spool, and another spool, another spool, another spool, and another spool. Oh, no, that's a standard pin. Okay, we had 5 spools and 1 standard pin, number 1. On the upper pins. Okay, see if we can take a little bit closer look. Okay, this standard pin on the bottom, I believe. Another standard pin, standard pin. This is standard pin on the top on number 1. Spool, spool. This is a standard pin, standard pin, standard pin, and then that looks like a serrated spool, maybe. No, that's just standard. And a standard spool. Okay, that's what we have in this Abus 7240. These Abus locks are not that hard to open. They're about like a master lock. Okay. Thank you, Jeff, for sending these locks. I appreciate it. See if we can put some of these locks up here. and I'll make good use of these locks. And thank everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again.